In today's video, I'll show you how to create automated reminders in Calendly step by step. Automated reminders help reduce no-shows by sending email or text notifications to invitees before their scheduled meetings. First, sign in to your Calendly account and go to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Event Types section. Now select the event type for which you want to create reminders. Click on the event to open its settings. Next, find the Notifications and Workflows section. This is where Calendly manages confirmation emails, reminders, and follow-up communications. Click Add Workflow or Create Workflow, depending on your Calendly plan and interface. Now choose Email Reminder as the workflow type. Next, decide when the reminder should be sent. For example, you can send a reminder 24 hours before the meeting, 1 hour before the meeting, or create multiple reminders at different times. After that, customize the reminder message. You can edit the subject line and email content to include helpful information, such as meeting details, preparation instructions, or the meeting link. Calendly automatically inserts appointment information into reminder emails, so invitees receive accurate scheduling details. If your Calendly plan supports SMS notifications, you can also create text message reminders using a similar process. Once you've configured the reminder, click Save or Activate. Now the reminder workflow will automatically run for every booking associated with that event type. If you have multiple event types, repeat the process for each one that needs automated reminders. Before finishing, make a test booking and verify that the reminder is scheduled correctly and contains the information you want attendees to receive. And that's it. You've successfully created automated reminders in Calendly and improved your chances of keeping meetings on schedule. And that's how you create automated reminders in Calendly. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.